Hi all. In this video, we are going to see about how to fix the issues with Mangools account if you forgot your password. For this, open any browser. In the search bar, type it out Mangools. Give enter. Click on the first result. Click on forgot password. Enter your registered email ID with Mangools. Click on I'm not robot and do the verification. Click on recover my password. Once you click on recovering password, it will be directed to your mail ID. A mail will be sent. Log in with your mail account. Yeah. Click on it. You'll be receiving a mail with reset my password link. Click on it. Type it out your new password. Click on change password. Upon clicking changing password, you'll be asked to sign in with updated password. Provided provide your updated password here and click on sign in. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.